Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hey guys.
Today we're here to show you this gorgeous 1970 Chevy Chevelle Super Sport. It's got a 454, 450 horsepower engine in it with an automatic transmission. Has power steering, has power brakes, has a front disc brake conversion, nice cowl hood, beautiful convertible top with no rips, tears, or fading in it. Like I said, American Racing wheels. The white stripes are gorgeous on the car. The glass is gorgeous. All the chrome and bright work looks real nice on the car.
The blue is gorgeous too. It's like a darker blue, real pretty.
Does have an aftermarket Pioneer upgraded Bluetooth stereo. They mounted below the factory stereo.
Yes.
Which is kind of a nice look. Very powerful car. Is that your car? Very nice running car. You'll hear in the videos.
Yes.
It's got a really nice sound to it.
Yes, it does. So we're going to get it started for you. We're going to get it started for you. We'll take a look at the engine bay, and then we're going to take it for a test spin. And as always, we follow it up with the undercarriage.
You want to do a convertible top right now?
Yeah, we'll do the convertible top in the next take. So we're going to demonstrate the top going up and down. It is manual. So you've got your typical hooks on the corners here. And we're going to lift it, and it just simply folds. Push it down. And there she goes. Really nice looking. Thanks, Shane.
Start test drive 1970 Chevelle.
Look at the Shane, the blue on the blue on the blue on the blue.
Chameleon. It's got a 450 horsepower 454 in it, and she sounds mean. Got a good RPM gauge, got a good speedometer, good amps. Clock even works.
Sweet.
Good temp. Either the fuel gauge is completely full of gas or it's packed, so the fuel gauge may or may not need attention.
The horn works.
Holy smokes, she's nice. Oh, wait a little electric car.
Really pretty. We got the top down today. Hopefully you can hear that.
You're up there in New York
exhaust.
Watching this video right now.
Yeah, right?
Sorry about your luck. Yeah, steering feels good, brakes feel good, shifting nice. This is a really, really nicely built Chevelle.
Yes.
You're not finding very many of these this nice out there, period.
Right.
Let alone
It's a rare find in very good shape. So come and get it. Skyway Classics. Thank you guys. We'll show you the underneath in just a few minutes.